Yachty pizza.
Infectious.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at Puff Spot. Jeff of P's.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian. P, she turned lesbian. Push P.
Push a P. Purple paint. Pink. Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah. Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Corn, this ain't no deep crust pizza. Little Yachty. Just had to put that out there.
Yeah, what did the box say? Oh, it do say deep cuts. Oh, it's saying what come on mines. And y'all, he got a little code you can scan for music and exclusive drops. So he really tried that, but nah, but y'all, we let the pizza cook in the oven on 375 for like what, 15, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And this is how it look now. They're still kind of hot a little. I had the veggie one. She got the cheese one.
I got honey cheese.
And I want to try that honey cheese one because it look good to me. And yeah, the pizza's still hot right now, y'all, just so y'all know. Oh, and we got some ranch. Hidden Valley, of course. And we got some to drink over here.
And we don't got no pizza cutter.
Oh yeah, and we don't have no pizza cutter, so we're just gonna have to cut the pizza.
Use this knife.
Also, I took olives and mushrooms off my pizza, so it's just bell peppers and onions with cheese. So we gonna see.
God bless the food I'm about to receive. It's been the first meal of my day. Hopefully it's good.
Yes, this is our first meal of the day.
Amen.
I'm gonna cut me a big piece because I don't feel like I'm gonna be going back.
It's giving very much the pizza that come in a red box with a cookie.
What pizza come in a red box with a cookie? Alright, so my junk's sticking. Alright, so I thought it was done. I guess it is done. This how I
I
look.
don't fucking like this shit.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's done. Y'all, you spitting it out on camera. I'm gonna try my first piece, y'all, without my mouth watering. That's how good I want it to be. But we gonna see.
We about to make She lying. She's here capping. That dough nasty as hell. Tastes like some school something. Like, taste this. I'm not tripping.
I'm gonna try this big piece. Is that fine? So y'all, she had the honey pizza. All right, before I even try this piece of cheese pizza, I just want to say this piece of pizza, the onions and the peppers on here taste like disgusting. Okay.
This was a fail for.
And then y'all look how thick it is. Like y'all, this pizza mad thick. Like I just wish y'all could see how thick this piece of pizza is, and it still got steam coming off of it. All right, so
I
this.
don't think I like it.
Let me see, and I still gotta try the crust for y'all because I haven't tried the crust. But yeah, so. Y'all, This cheese pizza tastes better. It's still nasty, but it tastes like school pizza. I'm only gonna finish chewing this.
You sitting there eating that. Like, I'm not.
I'm only gonna sit here and chew this because it's not that bad. But this, I'm gonna try one more thing for y'all. This crust. The pizza really not that bad, y'all. It is, but let me try this crust for y'all.
Don't buy this goddamn pizza. Please can save your $7.
Y'all, the crust. Probably
She's
the most.
trying to make it seem like it's trying to
Yeah.
give it, but it's not. It's not like giving.
Y'all, the crust is the best thing on this pizza, and it.
Throw the whole damn business away.
This pizza, this veggie pizza, was a fail, y'all. That cheese pizza had more flavor. Y'all, look how much. Y'all, look at my pizza after I'm done with it. We literally only took a bite. So if I had to rate this pizza, I'd definitely give it like 3 out of 10. That's even generous, like she said. It would be like a 1. I don't recommend you spend your money on it. I don't.
We could have got a little Caesar's pizza. Niggas is
Yeah, it would. Your money is better spent getting a little.
This pizza was $7
a piece, y'all. $7 for my veggie, $7 for the cheese.
Just imagine if we would have got that buffalo chicken.
We was gonna get the buffalo chicken. We not really eating red meat right now, so we wouldn't have got the pepperoni. But yeah, we just let y'all know. Lil Yachty's, Yachty's Pizzeria, y'all, is a no. No, do not buy this. I'm saving y'all money and trouble right now. Like, or maybe I didn't cook it long enough, y'all. Maybe you need to keep it in the oven for an hour. But the box said 20 minutes. The box said 21 to 23 minutes, y'all. And I'm pretty sure we kept it in that much or longer.
We was able to go pick up a package and all.
Yeah, we really used seriously. So
the pizza is nasty.
And then they trying to make it sound so good. Y'all, this box more about promoting his music than it is about the pizza, y'all. Look at that. I can't. It say scan for music and exclusive drops. Like,
well,
we was eating pizza. We not listening to music. But yeah, so this is our Yachty's Pizzeria pizza review. If you like this video, make sure you like and you comment and subscribe to my channel. It's KAMRI NACH'E and I'm